Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. You are on our YouTube channel. All scholarships link will be provided in the description of the video. Or if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Also press the bell notification. If you have not followed us on our Instagram page, please click the follow button, and you can get scholarship link in our bio or from our stories. You can also message us and ask for the links. You can comment down below and ask for links. Message us, we are available 24 into 7. And let me remind you again, if you are not followed, if you are not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. If we had been doing some prank channels or some fun, we would have not asked you to subscribe, we would have crossed more than million. But we are just showing you the way to study and utilize your time and brighten your career, brighten your future. We are not doing other stuff like comedy and that, and it's just useful content here. You can also check our Instagram page, and all details are provided. You can ask us any of the, and all services are free. There's no charge. So for today we are going to discuss fully funded internship in Canada. This is provided by Mitacs and it is for session 2022. It's fully funded and you can do it on their expenses, and it will be held in Canada. Any student who has bachelor's or has masters and PhD, any of the student categories mentioned here are eligible. The deadline for the scholarship is 22nd of September 2021. Airfare will be also covered, and there are no language proficiency requirements like IELTS and TOEFL are not required. You should be having your previous degree in English. Simply you can scroll down and here you can check the link. Again, let me remind you, link is in the video description. Also, you can ask us on Instagram. After scrolling down, reading description of this, you can click here on the yellow button, visit the official university. After clicking on this, another page of Mitacs official will appear, and this will load. You can read all the details here, and everything is mentioned. All the sessions are here. This is for the Canada internship. Simply to apply, to begin the process for application, simply on here you can check apply here at the top. Click on this blue here button. After clicking on that, this page will appear in front of you, and you can check all details. All the requirements, minimum requirements also are mentioned. After reading this, you can simply click here on register. If you have previously made your user ID and password, you can simply log in here. Also, you can check projects available, and for us we are new, so we have to click on the register. After clicking on the register, this page had appeared and we have to submit details. Let me quickly submit details. And simply after details, click on the submit button. And a pop-up will appear on your screen informing that a link has been sent in your email. Simply just go and verify. After verifying in email the link, simply click here on the login button. Use the same credentials and click login. Sometimes it may take few seconds. Again, just simply login. After that, you can check we have successfully logged in and we are ready to start the application. Simply click on the application tab and wait to load. After that, you can check our application ID has been created and status is incomplete. We have to submit it before last date. Simply click here on the personal information and select your details. These are not verified details, I am just submitting that. Simply select your again let me okay, you have to simply select your country. and select your language. Choose English most preferably. Do you have a passport? Then select citizenship, your country's citizenship. If you have second citizenship, then select also that. After that, click the passport country and click check boxes agreeing to the terms and conditions. Simply go down to the education tab and select your home institution. After that, a list will appear here, and choose your engineering or choose your department. Type state of the institution and discipline of the subject. Are you enrolled in full time or part time? Simply, my application is successful, and select the month and year of graduation like you expect. Like if your course is 2 years from 2019, then 2021 is your year of graduation. Simply submit your CGPA or your percentage. If you also covered the proficiency test, simply select that. After that, click on the background and research. Simply submit your research interest and notable interest. After that, analyze and answer the questions. If you are involved in conducting research and program session seminars, simply select according to your previous experiences. You should read these questions. I am just submitting them like without verifying, without I'm just showing you how to fill the application. Simply, have you complete any research work? If you have, then select yes, otherwise select no. Then click on the experience Mitacs and how you heard about this Mitacs. Simply choose from a friend or colleague, or just simply submit other and select full scholarships. Or just simply copy our Instagram URL and submit that. After that, yes, I am available, and acknowledge to that terms and conditions. After that, click on the references and upload your professor references. You can upload or ask them to upload. Simply, have you heard, do you agree, say yes, and simply click on that projects and simply upload the documents. Upload the CV and transcript of a degree and then click save. When your saves have been made change, after that you have to simply complete all these details. A submit button will appear here alongside with the save. After submitting everything and uploading all documents like CV and transcript, you have to simply click here on the submit button. Then you can go and check your application details here. Your application will be shown complete and submitted. Then you have to simply wait for your results, and you can also get the answers in your mail. Simply, you can also check the projects apply here, available here. Simply and go choose according to your course and simply click on the apply. You can apply from here also. After clicking on that, you can check on the save and you can click here on the my application. After that, you can save every detail, and again repeating, you have to complete all details documents and click here on the submit button. It will be appear here on the right side of the save button. So that's how you submit the Mitacs Canada internship that's fully funded. Everything will be covered by these. And again, let me remind you, if you are not download our Android application, you can download here. You can watch videos of our scholarships here. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. It's free of cost and you can change your future from a one click. Also, if you are not followed our Instagram page, please press the follow button, and you can comment, like and share this video. You can message us and ask for any difficulties that you are facing, or comment down your favorite country of studying. And if you have been following us from a long time, you can write down that we have been, and we have some surprises for you also. So that's enough for today. Please like, comment and share the video. Thank you for watching.